autophagy is a Greek word. Auto means, self. Phagy means eating. The body is eating itself. So when we are not eating, that means we are fasting. That means we are not consuming any food for a certain length of time. So many people think, what will happen to the body? The body is healing when we are not eating. Like when we are sleeping, the body is healing. Similarly, our body needs rest when we are, the body does not have to digest the food. After, as long as the body is digesting the food, it's working, but it's not getting time to repair the inside parts of the body. So the body needs time for its healing. That is why fasting is necessary. Now, what happens during the process of autophagy? In the process of autophagy, at the cellular level, at the cell level, the proteins or some of the debris or some of the leftovers of the older cells are eaten up because there is no food coming in the body during the fasting period. So all the cells are cleaned up from inside. All the dirt, residue, leftover material, proteins are all cleaned up. So every cell in the body, in a way, has gone through a detox at the cellular level, at the cell level. Normally, when we talk about the detox, it's at the body level. We drink some liquid and all that. So that's at the macro level or at the body level. This is a detox at the cellular level. Each cell has become clean and healthy, and some of the cells which could have become cancerous are also eaten up by the good cells. So that means if you fast once a week for at least 24 hours, the cell which, you don't get cancer just like that. First, some of our healthy cells have to become sick, and then they have to become weak, and then they start mutating, and then they become cancerous. So before all this process happens, because once in a week we are fasting, so these weak cells will be eaten up, and a cell will never reach a stage where it becomes cancerous. So this is how we prevent cancer. So briefly, I have explained to you the process of autophagy. Let me also tell you what happens during the process of autophagy when we do fasting for a period of 24 hours, 36 hours, 48 hours. The world record for fasting is 382 days. A human body can live for 382 days without eating food. So during that period, the body is running on the energy coming from the fat. Okay. But normally, we don't tell anyone to fast longer than 5 days. Even 5 days is a long period. But I just want to tell you what happens. So, when you start fasting, the first thing that happens is our body goes into a state of ketosis. Ketosis means your body will now start running on fat, and your body does not have to run on the blood glucose, which comes from the food. So that means the fat is giving the energy, and when the fat is giving energy, the fat is becoming less and you are becoming thin. So ketosis and weight loss is the same process. And then our body, after about 24 to 36 hours, our body starts producing growth hormones. The growth hormones is a very rare hormone which is produced by the body. Our body used to make growth hormone up to the age of 16 or 17 when we were growing. But now at the age of 30, 40, 50, 60, we can't get growth hormones. We can't even buy them in the market. So the only way the growth hormones can come into our body is by doing fasting for 24 to 36 hours. Our body naturally produces growth hormones during that period. Now these growth hormones feed our muscles. These growth hormones are because growth hormones are required for growth of the body. So these growth hormones are very good to feed our muscles. They make our body stronger and they feed our muscles. Then after about 36 hours, the body also produces a chemical called serotonin. Serotonin is a very chemical. It's also called a happiness chemical. That means your body starts feeling happy, starts feeling satisfied. So it gives you peace of mind. So serotonin. Third, the body starts making stem cells. Now stem cells are cells which can take any shape. Stem cells are neutral. For example, in any organization, when you have trainees, the trainees can be neutral. You have not assigned them any role. But then after some time, you may put them in HRD, you may put them into production, you may put them into marketing, you may put them into finance. So similarly, stem cells are neutral, cells, but then if our kidney is damaged, if our bones are damaged, if there is a problem with the liver, they will take the shape of the liver, cells, and repair the liver, repair the kidney, or repair whatever. So stem cells is again stem cell treatment in the advanced countries costs 20, 30, 40 lakhs. But here is an opportunity. Our body can produce stem cells. Now, whatever I've told you now, it's all science. In the year 2016, a Japanese scientist called Yoshinori, he got a Nobel Prize on the topic of autophagy. So this is all based on science. Now, this is something which I want to share, that during the fasting process, these are the advantages that our body is getting.